This is our first ever middle school, first LEGO League robotics competition. We have 5 middle schools competing from across the division. We have 9 teams represented. And this is the culminating event of our first year of coding and robotics at every middle school in ACPS. On the stage we have the robot game table, which is what First LEGO League uses in their competitions to determine who can earn the most points on the annual season's game table. Students compete and can move on to state and then even national and then international competitions. We're hosting this one in-house, so we're going to have an ACPS winner and that's going to be where we end. But in the future we hope to put forward some teams to qualifiers and then regionals and state competitions as well.
So these guys are doing the engineering challenge, which is to build a structure that can survive this here handheld leaf blower on various power settings.
We also have an engineering challenge that's just something added by a robotics student at Western, and he's hosting that in the back corner. And then we have a logo design challenge as well to get at creativity, which is a really important part of our mission, is inspiring kids to use their skills for creative purposes and also to learn how to code and to create robots that work on the game table.
Pretty cool. It's like nice because you get to say like I was the first one there. I love coding. I just find it really fun, and it's really fun to do it with like robots when they can actually like move around and do stuff. Yeah, I learned about math because you have to like make sure everything's at like the precise like degree and stuff. You also learn about measurements, so you also have to make sure it's like long enough or short enough or like big enough to like do whatever you're trying to do.
I like coding, so that's what made me interested, and it's really fun. Learning how to do coding, how to work with friends, incorporate others in what you're doing, and just have fun.
I build stuff. I build the robots. I put them together, like I put together this new log. When you finally get that good idea, you just have to find the parts and put it together.
The importance of having our first ever robotics competition is that it gives kids something to work towards. It inspires them to think that maybe they can win next year or the year after. And it also builds foundational skills in coding that can help them consider trying out for the robotics teams at the high school so that we can hopefully diversify the student body that's participating in coding and robotics in the high schools. So the long-term vision is to get access to coding and robotics earlier in the student population so that more students engage with it and then consider those careers in the future.
What are you most excited about today?
Just building, having fun, getting to show what I learned.
Robotics is really fun, and I made a lot of friends doing it.